3, 2, 1. Welcome. Hey guys. This video includes mirrored K-pop dance to help you learn more easily. Make sure to stretch a little, and let's dance together.